Welcome to our channel. If you have an American Express card and want to check your FICO credit score for free, follow these steps to access your score through the Amex mobile app. Step 1. Download and open the American Express mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your Amex account credentials. Step 2. From the main dashboard, look for the credit score or FICO score section. This may be displayed on the home screen or under the Account Services menu. Step 3. Tap on View Credit Score or check My FICO Score to access your credit score information. Step 4. Review your current FICO credit score, which is updated monthly and provided for free by American Express. Your score is based on your Experian credit report. Step 5. Explore additional details such as the factors affecting your credit score, including payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and recent inquiries. Step 6. Use the credit score simulator tool available in the app to see how different actions like paying down debt or opening a new account might impact your score. Step 7. Set up notifications to receive alerts when your credit score changes. This helps you stay informed about your credit health and detect any potential fraud or errors. Step 8. If you notice any inaccuracies in your credit report, tap on the option to dispute errors directly through the app or contact the credit bureau. Regularly monitoring your credit score helps you track your financial progress and prepare for major financial decisions like applying for a loan or mortgage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.